So y'all might have heard about a little ice storm that hit Texas. I wanted to show you what it looks like the day after. She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again. Yep, this is one day after. No snow hardly at all left in anywhere. Barely any snow left at all. Just a couple of little patches in the shade. It's almost, I'd say it's probably 49 degrees right now. And the ice cream truck just went by. I kid you not. Only in Texas. Now what I have seen is a whole lot of trash, huge piles of trash. Unfortunately, people, it looks like some pipes broke and there's been piles of insulation and piping and stuff laying here and there, so that's a bummer. Everybody's doing the cleanup thing today though. I'm out doing my census thing. I'm in a neighborhood in Fort Worth. It's pretty interesting. It's not very far from downtown Fort Worth, but there's roosters and chickens everywhere. Can you hear them out there? Pretty fun stuff. Anyway, off to do my census stuff. Anyway, I just wanted to share this little bit of Snowpacalypse with you the day after. Just doesn't last long, does it? So yeah, I've been seeing lots of this. Sadly. Very sadly.
In 600 feet, turn right onto Martin Street. Take the next right onto Martin Street.
Yeah, people are really enjoying the outside today. That's nice.
Take the next left onto Village Creek Road, then turn right onto Martin Luther King Jr. Freeway.
What to do when there's a power outage and it's only 4 degrees out? Well, you get the buddy heater out and you keep the guinea pigs warm. Y'all are so spoiled, but worth it. Buddy heater's doing a great job. Isn't gonna heat the house up, but it'll heat their little house up. Good times. Y'all stay warm, my friends. My bird feeder is a very popular place this morning. It's 4 degrees out there.